So, ipaglalaban ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang West Philippine Sea to the last square inch, to the last square millimeter po, kasi hindi po anya ito produkto lang ng aming imagination, tulad ng imagination po ni Xi Jinping. Ito naman po yung bago naming product na binibenta online. iGlow Serum, whitening po siya. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect before and now. Yung mga inquiries po ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa kanyang Facebook account, Riz Maravillas. Lumambot mga kababayan yung China. Bakit niya Mr. Maravillas? Matigas kasi po yung ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Matindi po yung yung speech ng ating Pangulong Bongbong dong sa Singapore. Paano hindi lumambot yung China? Yung isang general nga pong Chinese, sinupalpal ng ating Pangulo. O ngayon, ito yung balita dito po sa Manila Times. Gusto nang makipag-dialogue po. Mag-uusapan niya tayo. Open na niya kami. Kita ninyo, umaboso po, lumaki yung ulo ng China. Kasi po, natakot po yung maisog na leader. Sila man lang kasi nagsasabing maisog sila. Siyempre po, nang makita ng China, sinusukat po yung ating resolve kasi. Sinukat po yung resolve ni Mao Diggs. Isang salita lang po ni Xi Jinping, nanginig na agad nanginig talaga niya Mr. Maravillas. Yan po yung totoong nangyari. Hindi na lang kumibo, hindi na nag-insist po. By his own admission, mga kababayan, sinabi mismo ni Digong, yung nagpa-preskon siya sa Davao, di ba yun ang kanyang sinabi? Pero iba, mga kababayan, ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos na tinagurian nilang weak leader. Yanig po yung yung Chinese general, sinoplak ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. O ngayon, ito na yung reaksyon mga kababayan ng China. Pwede naman na niya tayo mag-uusap. Ngayon pa lang, June 1, 2024, China, door of dialogue is still open anya. Yan po yung sabi ni Mao Ning, yung Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson. Sabi kasi ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, gagawin na niya namin ang lahat ng measures within our powers to protect our fishermen dito sa West Philippine Sea. At sabi ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos doon sa Singapore, Shangri-La Dialogue sa Singapore, gagawin ng Pilipinas ang lahat, whatever it takes to protect its sovereignty. Yan po yung report mga kababayan ng Channel News Asia. Kaya sabi ng ating Speaker of the House, the Speaker of the People, si Martin Romualdez po, nakaka-proud niya. Yan po, nakaka-proud. Romualdez reacts to Marcos' speech on defending West Philippine Sea. Asa na ngayon yung mga DDS po? Tinignan ko po yung mga vlogs ng mga DDS. Tahimik po dito sa issue ng West Philippine Sea ngayon. Lalo sa naging speech ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Napaiya siguro mga kababayan na yung pinagmamalaki nila na maisog leader, walang nagawa dito sa West Philippine Sea. Hindi po nanindigan laban sa pang-api, pambubuli ng China. Sa kayong weak leader na kinakantsawan po nila, ay siyang tumayo. Baga niya Mr. Maravillas, tahimik kasi nag-iisip pa sila ng paninira. Kung paano nila gagawin ang paninira sa ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ngayon, na all praises po ang napakaraming mga Filipino sa kanya ngayon. Ang gaganda po ng mga reactions ng mga tao po sa naging speech ng ating Pangulo ay ito po yung sa Channel News Asia. Sabi ng mga netizens po, ayan ang aming PBBM. We are so proud of you, Mr. President. May God always guide and protect you Filipinos are always praying for your health and safety. Sabi ng isa pa, itong speech na ito ay mas effective kaysa sa drug test na idinidiin ng sumisira sa pagkatao ni PBBM. Ang bangag ay never makapag-deliver ng ganitong kaklarong speech. Gising kayong mapanira at nainggit kay PBBM. Let's support our president. Sabi ng isa pa, sana nananahimik na lang si Digong at hindi na nanggugulo. May epekto sa ating economy yung ginagawa ni Duterte. Now I am proud of President Marcos because of his dignity regarding South China Sea. I don't vote for him and I'm glad he won the election. Getting to love you, PBBM. Sabi ni Norms, we are so proud of our patriotic President, Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Thank you for fighting for the rights of our country. Sabi ng isa pa, respectable, dignified, brilliant and strong, that is PBBM. Sabi ni Maria, yan ang presidente namin, matapang, matalino, at higit sa lahat, mabait. God bless po, Mr. President. Sabi ng isa pa, very strong message. We Filipinos stand for good, protect our country, and we support our president. Sabi ng isa pa, this guy definitely have more balls and brain to stand up for Philippine rights than the last guy. Kita ninyo mga kababayan, nagising na yung mga hindi bumoto sa ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, na proud na sila. So tama lang itong sinabi po ni Martin Romualdez, the Speaker of the People. Sabi niya po, nakaka-proud. Saludo siya. File photo man lang po yon. Pero kasama yung ating Speaker of the People, mga kababayan, si Martin Romualdez, kasama ng ating Pangulo doon kasi lagi man pong kasama. Sabi po ni Martin, yung speech niya ng ating Pangulo sa Shangri-La Dialogue is a testament to his strong leadership and his unwavering commitment to protecting our national sovereignty. Dapat niya, bawat isa sa atin should be proud of our President who has shown the world that we are resolute in defending our territory while advocating for peace and diplomacy. Yan ang totoo pong maisog, mga kababayan. Hindi nagpapasindak sa tulad po ni Xi Jinping. So sabi po ni Martin, the President's reiteration of our legal and moral standing on the West Philippine Sea issue is a powerful message to the international community. It shows that our claims are based on international law, not on mere assertions. Our President niya has made it clear that the life-giving waters nitong WPS are integral to our national identity and sovereignty. We will never allow anyone to detach it from our maritime domain. Yan mismo yung statement ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Kaya nagpalakpakan po yung mga tao doon. While we are determined to protect our territory, we also recognize the importance of peaceful resolution of disputes. This balanced approach demonstrates our commitment to regional and global peace, sabi pa ni Romualdez. Ganon, pero po si Maudig, tubig lang anya naman. Tubig lang naman anya yan. Ganon, binaliwala mga kababayan. Yung buong Pilipinas gusto nang, pwede na niya ninyong gawin kaming province. Tawang-gawa yung ambassador po nagsabihin nyo ni Maudigs. Ayan po yung matigas na, na statement ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos.
Our moral ascendancy, we find the strength to do whatever it takes to protect our sovereign home, to the last square inch, to the last square millimeter. The life-giving waters of the West Philippine Sea flow in the blood of every Filipino. We cannot allow anyone to detach it from the totality of the maritime domain that renders our nation whole.
Palakpakan po yung mga tao doon. Sabi ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, we will never allow anyone to detach it from our maritime domain. Not a square inch or a millimeter ng West Philippine Sea. Ang hayaan natin, sabi ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, na kamkamin ng sino man, referring to China po. So sabi po ni Speaker Martin, Marcos keynote address niya titled 7 Realities and 3 Constants, addressing the regional security challenges facing Indo-Pacific, emphasized the Philippines' unwavering commitment to peace, sovereignty, in the rule of law. The President delivered a clear, compelling, and rational articulation of our country's legal and geopolitical position, particularly in the West Philippine Sea. As such, I expect more members of the international community to join the growing chorus calling for observance of the rule of law and diplomacy for dispute resolution, sabi po ni Martin. He commended Marcos for his resolute stance upholding international law, particularly the 1982 United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea or UNCLOS, at saka yung 2016 Arbitral Award that invalidated Beijing's expansive claim in the South China Sea, kung saan nandyan yung West Philippine Sea natin. So malinaw niya yung naging mensahe ng ating Pangulo. The integrity of our maritime zones and our sovereignty must be respected. This is not only a legal right but a moral imperative. By adhering to international law, we can ensure that the West Philippine Sea remains a sea of peace, stability, and prosperity. Sabi po ni Martin Romualdez, napakaganda po ng paka-articulate ng ating Pangulong Bongbong sa kanyang mensahe sa Shangri-La Dialogue po sa Singapore. Binasag niya dito po yung mga sinasabi ng China.
We sought to uphold and preserve the integrity of our country's physical unity through international law. Together with others, we put forward the Archipelagic Doctrine, which regards all archipelagic states as a single unit and connecting their islands irrespective of their breadth and dimension, forming part of their internal waters. This doctrine has since been enshrined in the 1982 United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, or the UNCLOS. The same convention also clarified the limits of each state's maritime zones and defined the extent with which they could exercise sovereignty, their sovereign rights, and jurisdiction over those zones. Accordingly, we have made a conscious effort to align our definition of our territory and our maritime zones with what international law recognizes. This has been inscribed in Article 1 of our Constitution. As Senator, I was proud to co-sponsor our Archipelagic Baselines Law, which defines the basis of our maritime jurisdictions. As President, I look forward to signing our Maritime Zones Law, which will clarify the geographic extent of our maritime domain. Our efforts stand in stark contrast to assertive actions that aim to propagate excessive and baseless claims through force, intimidation, and deception. In the West Philippine Sea, we are on the front lines to assert the integrity of the UNCLOS as a constitution of the oceans. We have defined our territory and maritime zones in a manner befitting a responsible and law-abiding member of the international community. We have submitted our assertions to rigorous legal scrutiny by the world's leading jurists. So the lines that we draw in our waters are not derived from just our imagination, but from international law. We have on our side the 1982 UNCLOS and the binding 2016 Arbitral Award, which affirms what is ours by legal right. In this solid footing and through our clear moral ascendancy, we find the strength to do whatever it takes to protect our sovereign home, to the last square inch, to the last square millimeter.
So, ipaglalaban ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang West Philippine Sea to the last square inch, to the last square millimeter po. Kasi hindi po anya ito produkto lang ng aming imagination. Tulad ng imagination po ni Xi Jinping, sa kanyang imagination po, lahat ng karagatan dito po sa South China Sea, sinama pa yung West Philippine Sea, kanila daw. Inubos na lang po. Claim na po lahat. Wala nang gustong itira po sa atin. Kaya ngayon, mga kababayan, tuloy-tuloy yung mga ginagawang engagement ng ating mga officials para palakasin yung ating defense. Ito po yung sabi ng ating Defense Secretary, Gibo Teodoro, sabi dyan sa balita, Philippines eyes stronger defense ties with North America, Europe, Asia-Pacific nations. So ito hindi po pumasok sa isipan ni Mau Diggs. Kasi po, ang mindset niya, pag mayor, ano kaya niya, Mr. Maravillas, kung si Inday ang maging Pangulo? Iwan ko lang po, baka mga muti sa ganong uri ng forum po, dito nga po, during the election, iniiwasan ni Inday yung presidential debate. Hindi po nag-attend si Inday. Sa issue ng West Philippines, no comment. Pag nagmensahe po, laging nagbabasa. Paano na kung may interview po? Tulad nung Shangri-La Dialogue na may open forum po, may mga questions galing sa mga journalist. Malamang mga moti po si Inday. Kaya po, sa totoo lang po, ang pinakang kwalipikado po na dapat maging successor ng ating Pangulong Bongbong, si Martin Romualdez po. Kasing talino ng ating Pangulong Bongbong. So sabi dito sa balita, the Philippines is expected to enhance its defense cooperation with different countries in North America, Europe, and Asia-Pacific regions. As the Department of National Defense Secretary, Gibo Teodoro was scheduled to meet his counterparts on the sidelines of the 21st International Institute for Strategic Studies sa Shangri-La in Singapore, sa Shangri-La Dialogue in Singapore. So kasama sa mga kausap ni Gibo, si Bill Blair, Minister of Defense ng Canada, Judith Ann Collins, Minister of Defense ng New Zealand, Shin Wok-sik, Minister of National Defense ng South Korea, Joseph Borrell Pontelles, High Representative of Europe or European Union for Foreign Affairs and Security Policy, and Vice President of the Commission for Stronger Europe in the World. Ayan po mga kababayan, ang mga naging engagement para tuloy-tuloy ang pagpapalakas natin ng ating defense ng ating bansa. O ngayon, basahin natin yung mga reactions ng ating mga kababayan. Yan ang aming presidente, tunay na matapang. Hindi talaga pwedeng paikutin ng mga ganyang tanong ang matalinong presidente, PBBM. The best president of our time, makatao, makabayan at higit sa lahat matalino. We want PBBM our president beyond 6-year term. Only Marcos et al. Mabuti na lang si PBBM ang ating presidente. There is no such thing as a regional issue. The peace and stability of the West Philippine Sea is a world issue. Brilliant answer. The great, brave and loving PBBM. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas. God bless our President. Support PBBM. Siya ang tunay na matapang or maisog sa Bisaya. Mabuhay PBBM Jr. God bless you and your family and Madam First Lady, Madam Lisa Araneta Marcos and Speaker Martin Romualdez. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas. We are so proud our President. Yan ang totoong matapang at tagapagtanggol sa ating bansa. Mr. President, you are really, really great. Stand firm. You are brilliant leader. Our nation, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas. Yes, that's our President. Napakatalino at napakatapang. God bless you, PBBM. Thank you, Mr. President, for defending our sovereignty. No to pro-chikwa politicians. Yan ang totoong Pilipinong may bayag, di kagaya kay Mau Diggs, matapang lang sa kapwa Pilipino. PBBM, maraming salamat. Kayo lang ang may malasakit laban sa mga tunay na Pilipino. Di tayo uurong laban PBBM. Yan ang tunay na tapang at matalinong presidente. Hindi tayo dapat pasisindak. Napakagaling talaga ang ating mahal na PBBM. The best president ever, Marcos forever. Father like son. Maraming salamat po. This president is fighting for Filipinos. He is eloquent for this kind of matter. That Chinese general was hallucinating. He did not know what he was talking about. Mabuhay ka, PBBM. Calm, but the words are very sharp. Yan ang tunay na maisog. May God continue to bless you. Botata sila kay PBBM, Sir Dante. Ang ganda ng sagot niya sa tanong ng Chinese general. Supalpal talaga. Yan ang leader, my balls. Excellent and very brave President of the Philippines. The voice and gesture of PBBM, the same with the late President Ferdinand Marcos Sr. Saludo po kami, mahal naming PBBM. Very professional, napakatalino. God bless you more in your family. Napakarami pa, mga kababayan, ng mga reactions. Almost lahat na pahanga sa ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos dahil sa kanyang tapang na manindigan po ipaglaban yung ating karapatan dito sa West Philippine Sea at never na magpasindak po sa China. Ayos! Ayan man lang po mga kababayan. Ako po si Dante Maravillas. Bye-bye. God bless.